What's up, Tag Team? Welcome back to another video. I'm so glad to have you back. So this video I shot a little bit different. I filmed the makeup section first because I was in a huge hurry, but at the same time I really wanted to be able to get a video out to you guys and maybe just hope that the makeup look worked out. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button if you want to get notified when I have more videos up. Going into it, the only thing that I knew that I wanted to do was some sort of a skull look and hoped that it turned out for you guys. And if not, it was definitely a learning experience. Anyways, here's the look. Okay guys, so here's the finished look. I am right out of time. Give this a like button if you like it. I am glad that I didn't give up and I didn't just try to go with a super simple look. Let me know what you would like to see next, whether it's Halloween or not Halloween. Actually, now that Halloween is over, I don't care. We could still do Halloween looks. We could still do really cool looks. Anyways, thanks you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Love you all. Thanks for watching. Bye.